नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 14, text 15, text 16 and text 17 of chapter 11. Calculation of time from the atom of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 14. समवत्सरः परिवत्सर इडावत्सर एव च अनुवत्सरो वत्सरश्च विदुरैवं प्रभाष्यते. There are 5 different names for the orbits of the sun, moon, stars and luminaries in the firmament, and they each have their own samavatsara. The subject matters of physics, chemistry, mathematics, astronomy, time and space dealt with here in the verses of Srimad Bhagavatam are certainly very interesting to students of the particular subject. But as far as we are concerned, we cannot explain them very thoroughly in terms of technical knowledge. The subject is summarized by the statement that above all the different branches of knowledge is the supreme control of Kal, the plenary representation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Nothing exists without him, and therefore everything, however wonderful it may appear to our meager knowledge, is but the work of the magical wand of the Supreme Lord. As far as time is concerned, we beg to subjoin here with a table of timings in terms of the modern clock. 1 Truti equals to 8 by 13,500 second. 1 Ved equals to 8 by 135 second. 1 Lava equals to 8 by 45 second. 1 Nimesha equals to 8 by 15 second. 1 Kshana equals to 8 by 5 second. 1 Kashtha equals to 8 seconds. 1 Laghu equals to 2 minutes. 1 Danda equals to 30 minutes. 1 Prahara equals to 3 hours. 1 day equals to 12 hours. 1 night equals to 12 hours. 1 Paksha equals to 15 days. 2 Pakshas comprise 1 month, and 12 months comprise 1 calendar year or 1 full orbit of the sun. A human being is expected to live up to 100 years. That is the way of the controlling measure of eternal time. The Brahma Samhita 5.52 affirms this control in this way. Yacha chakshura esha savita sakala grahanam raja samasta suramurtira ashesha tejah yasyadnyaya भ्रमति संभृत कालचक्रो Govindam Adipurusham Tam Aham Bhajami. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, under whose control even the sun, who is considered to be the eye of the Lord, rotates within the fixed orbit of eternal time. The sun is the king of all planetary systems and has unlimited potency in heat and light. Text 15. Yah Srujya Shakti Muru Dhocha Chvasayana Swashaktya पुंसो अभ्रमाय दिवि धावति भूतभेदः कालाख्यया गुणमयं क्रतुभिर वितन्वंस तस्मै बलिं हरत वत्सर पंचकाय. O Vidur, the sun enlivens all living entities with his unlimited heat and light. He diminishes the duration of life of all living entities in order to release them from the illusion of material attachment, and he enlarges the path of elevation to the heavenly kingdom. He thus moves in the firmament with great velocity, and therefore everyone should offer him respects once every 5 years with all ingredients of worship. Text 16. Vidura Uvacha Pitru Deva Manushana Mayuha Paramidam Smrutam Pareshama Gatima Chakshva Ye Syuha Kalpada Vahira Vidaha. Vidur said, I now understand the life durations of the residents of the Pita planets and heavenly planets as well as that of the human beings. Now kindly inform me of the duration of life of those greatly learned living entities who are beyond the range of a kalpa. The partial dissolution of the universe that takes place at the end of Brahma's day does not affect all the planetary systems. The planets of highly learned living entities like the sages Shanak and Bhrigu are not affected by the dissolution of the millenniums. All the planets are of different types, and each is controlled by a different Kala Chakra or schedule of eternal time. The time of the Earth planet is not applicable to other more elevated planets. Therefore, Vidur herein inquires about the duration of life on other planets. Text 17. भगवान वेद कालस्य गतिम भगवतो ननु विश्वम विचक्षते धीरा योगराध्येन चक्षुषा. O spiritually powerful one, you can understand the movements of eternal time, which is the controlling form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Because you are a self-realized person, you can see everything by the power of mystic vision. Those who have reached the highest perfectional stage of mystic power and can see everything in the past, present and future are called Trikalgnyas. Similarly, the devotees of the Lord can see everything clearly, that is in the revealed scriptures. The devotees of Lord Sri Krishna can very easily understand the science of Krishna as well as the situation of the material and spiritual creations without difficulty. Devotees do not endeavor to have any form of yoga siddhi or perfection in mystic powers. They are competent to understand everything by the grace of the Lord who is sitting in everyone's heart. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.